Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad Congress Sangma habajubab ya kajingkeli la Jingshahkhot Hajir jong ka National Investigation Agency kan kta ni em ya Jingïakren Ïasuk habedeng ki sarkar bat ka Hnlc National Liberation Council ula ong bakam don Jingïadei ka bajan bat ka Jingïakren ka baladan minta ula benrap ru da ka baong bakadei ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban pej bakum gini ki kimdei ban wan kata kadai ka thong jong ka Jingïakren lada dei ban don ka Jingïakren bat ka tenat ki kampo ying badru ya kita ki wei ki kinhon ngin pej ya kata bat ngin pej ru kumno ban ya chakmat habayadei bat ka Jingïakren Ïasuk ula benrap ru da ka baong ka Jingshahkhot Hajir kadai na ki wei ki daw ban na ki wei ki jingjia kam don benta ai bat ka Jingïakren Ïasuk Hnlc usngotho bagi dekat ki badan kti kira Shahkhot Hnlc day ban wat ikilat kilanti bakum kini ki kinom wan ban penthot bat kanam thot hakabaya day bat ka Jingïakren Ïasuk.
Different process. Those investigations are at a different level. That has not direct, connection with the talks that we are having. And in order to be able to ensure that complications like these don't come up, that is precisely the purpose of the official talks. So wherever these discussions need to be brought in, of course, talking to Home Ministry and to the different agencies, we will see and we will try to find out how to move forward in this. But as I said, these are different cases. These are cases which are being investigated at different level and for different reasons, which has nothing to do with the peace talks. But yes, I understand that the members involved, are there who are being called. But as I said, these discussions, the peace talks are meant to figure out a way so that these kind of complications can be resolved. But it will not affect the peace talks.
Okay, the opposition has questioned whether the state government has intimate the center on this peace talk, whether they have involved center.
See, the thing is that the previous government did not take steps in this line to actually move forward with the peace talks, and this could have been done in the past also. But nonetheless, this government has now moved ahead, and obviously these talks cannot take place without the deep discussion with the central government. And I have mentioned it many times before that in 3 to 4 occasions I have had discussions with Home Minister. In multiple occasions, maybe even more than 8-9 times, I have had discussion with the Home Secretary, and obviously very senior officials of the Home Department are regularly in touch and are coordinating the entire process. So yes, the central government is very much involved.